Hi, my name is Lori. I'm with Orange County Public Library. I work in the Youth Services Department. We're located in Hillsborough. We also are doing our summer learning program this summer, and we have our game boards where you record your hours of reading on our website. You can download them, or they're also available in some other places too. So look at the website and you can find out more information about that. We also have some really fun activities and shows that we're going to do virtually this year, so also check our website for those. So today's experiment is going to have to do with color. I have some food coloring that I used. I used red, blue, and yellow. And I put about 5 drops of each in my 3 bowls here. And then I added just a couple spoonfuls of water. So I have our primary colors, and they are red, blue, and yellow. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix these to make 3 new colors, and they're called secondary colors. So some of you probably already know how to do this, but we're going to do it today for those of you who haven't done it before rather. So we have red, blue, and yellow, and what we're going to do is mix them. So an easy way to do this is to use a straw. If you don't have an eyedropper at home, this is an eyedropper. So with your straw, what you'll do is you'll put it in the water and then put your finger over top, and that will hold it in. And then you can take your finger away, and I have red food coloring now in this dish. So I'm going to rinse it just a little bit in this clear water. And then I'd like to put some blue in with the red. Let's see what color it makes. Oh, let's mix it up a little bit. I have it on white so you can see it a little bit better. So it made a purple color. I'm gonna kind of rinse my straw out a little bit. Let's see what blue and yellow do. So let's see here. I'm gonna put a little blue in. I'm gonna rinse because I don't want to mix my colors in the main bowls. And then I'll get some yellow. Let's see what it does. All right, it's almost there. All right, it made green. Now, what do you think the red and the yellow will make when we mix those colors together? Well, let's see. Take some red. Put it in the 3rd bowl. Let me rinse again. And some yellow. Let's see here. Yep, we got orange. So we took 3 colors and we made 6 out of them. Now, there are a whole myriad of colors. If you've looked at your Crayola box of crayons, you know there's so many. But you can mix these 3 colors and make almost all of them with the addition of white or black. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bowl. We're going to put some water in the bowl. And then take your mirror. Mine happens to be a compact mirror, but it doesn't have to be. It can just be a regular small mirror. But it has to be a little bit immersed in the water. If you look, it's about halfway immersed in the water. Okay, so we've taken this outside so we can look at the sunlight and the reflection on the white piece of paper outside, because we'll get a more dramatic effect. So as you can see, we have the water in the mirror. And then if you put your paper down here, do you see all the colors? There's blue. You can see the indigo, the violet, the red, the orange, the yellow. See all the colors of the rainbow. So what I'd like for you to do is try this at home and go ahead and if you want to try some other experiments, you might try a glass of water with some salt in it to see if the salt crystals will reflect the light the same way. You can try a flashlight with this. You could try all kinds of different ways to reflect the light from a mirror or through water or with sugar or salt. And then I'd like for you to post a picture of your rainbows, or also you could just type in a little synopsis of what you did on the comments section of our Facebook page. So I'll see you next time. Bye.